strategy is to identify where the first spillover of a new pandemic is most likely to begin, so we can prevent it spreading right from the start. So how are we going to do this? EcoHealth Alliance has really pioneered the use of hotspot mapping of emerging disease risk to identify where they're most likely to begin. But the maps that we've developed require manually updating. They require data from the first origin of every new disease. So it's limited in its capacity to predict at a fine scale, and they need to be smarter. They need to be more predictive and forward thinking. So to do this, we brought together a really unique team. We've got computer tech, we've got wildlife veterinarians, field scientists, wildlife biologists, social scientists, medics, all working together under one roof at EcoHealth Alliance with a global network of partners that provide us with real data on emerging diseases surveillance. And what we're going to do is try and turn these maps into an automated system that updates itself over and over again in real time by using natural language processing of data scraped off the internet that matches words to distinguish between rumor and reality, by creating bias corrections for places that are underreporting diseases so we can better go into those dark areas on the planet, by using forward-thinking projections of emerging disease drivers from our partners at CSIRO, and by using machine learning algorithms that continually update our models using the very latest information to produce accurate, fine-scaled risk maps. Then we're going to get on the ground and validate and test them with the idea that if it works, we can scale this up globally. It's a real system approach to doing it. We're going to use data focusing on Southeast Asia and China from our field teams on the animal side. Thousands and thousands of samples collected every year with new viruses discovered that we can use to project where diseases will emerge. We're going to work with our partners at Hong Kong University with data on every single case of flu outbreaks in China. We're going to work with our partners in Tencent to get mobile phone information of people on the ground in China to see where are people connected most to wildlife, to livestock, to cities and rural areas. If we can pinpoint in exquisite detail the places where this happens, we'll have an unparalleled accurate system for predicting pandemics to identify the next COVID before it even begins. That's our vision and that's our goal.